Solving. There was a problem resetting your PC on Windows 10. Are you trying to reset your Windows 10 PC but keep running into the frustrating error? There was a problem resetting your PC, You're not alone. This issue has left many users stuck, and today on Shop Smart Link I'm going to show you how to fix it like a pro. Stick around, because we're not just troubleshooting, we're making your PC run smoother than ever. I'm going to walk you through the most effective solutions step by step, with no fluff, just results. Whether you're dealing with corrupted files or system glitches, we've got your back. Step 1. Understand the issue. This error usually pops up due to corrupted system files, broken recovery tools, or even a third-party program messing things up. But don't worry, it's fixable. Let's start with a simple fix before diving into the advanced stuff. Step 2. Basic troubleshooting. First, ensure your Windows is up to date. Go to Settings, Update and Security, Windows Update. Install any pending updates and restart your PC. Sometimes, it's just that simple. Step 3. Run the built-in troubleshooter. Windows has a built-in troubleshooter that can fix common problems. Go to Settings, Update and Security, Troubleshoot, Additional Troubleshooters. Scroll down, select Windows Update *, and run the troubleshooter. It's a lifesaver for basic issues. Step 4. Advanced fixes. If those steps didn't work, don't panic. Let's move to advanced solutions. First, try repairing system files. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and type --SFC can now --. Press Enter and let it scan for corrupted files. After that, run DISM, online, cleanup image, restore health, --. These commands will repair your Windows image and restore missing components. Step 5. Repair the recovery environment. Sometimes, the recovery environment itself is broken. Here's how to fix it. In Command Prompt, type --reagent C, info --. If it says recovery is disabled, run --reagent C, enable --. This re-enables your recovery tools and often solves the reset issue. Step 6. Create installation media. If all else fails, creating installation media is your ultimate solution. Download the Windows 10 Media Creation tool from Microsoft, create a bootable USB drive, and perform a fresh install. This gives you a clean slate and resolves any deep-seated issues. That's it, folks. 6 proven ways to tackle the dreaded there was a problem resetting your PC, error. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Shop Smart Link for more expert tech tips and tricks. And hey, if you're still stuck, drop a comment below, I'll do my best to help you out. Until next time, happy troubleshooting. Stay tuned for more updates.